Hi, I'm Brett from the New Wheel Electric Bike Shop in San Francisco in Marin County, and I'm here today with the Focus Bold Squared Hardtail mountain bike. This is the new hardtail in the Focus Squared product line. It's built on the same platform as the Jam Squared and the Sam Squared, but it offers an even more lightweight, nimble package that not only is great for the trail, but can also be an amazing commuter bike. The Bold Squared is built around the Shimano E8000 mid-drive motor, which is small and compact and allows for Focus to build a really tight geometry, but also packs a punch in terms of performance. It's then combined with Focus's proprietary internal battery that lives inside the frame and is fully integrated. What's most exciting about what Focus is calling their tailored energy concept is that not only do you have a lightweight, compact internal battery, but you can extend the range, effectively double it, with an external battery that sits right on top of the down tube and allows you to ride further and carry more cargo and use more assist. So the obvious first question is, if you're looking at a bike in the Focus Squared platform, why would you pick a hardtail model versus one of the full suspension bikes? Well, there's a couple of good reasons. By eliminating the extra complexity of a suspension system, Focus's engineers are able to build an even lighter weight frame. And you really notice it when you pick up the bike. Secondly, a hardtail bike is a little bit simpler in terms of maintenance. You do have front suspension, which you want to maintain on a regular basis, but you don't have the complexity and the moving parts of a rear suspension triangle. Thirdly, and I think most importantly, the Bold Squared is a fantastic platform for a commuter bike. And so this can be one bike that you can use both on and off-road. Unlike the full suspension bikes, the hardtail model has lots of mounting points for your racks, your fenders, a kickstand, and when you put that all together and add integrated lighting, you have an awesome, lightweight, nimble, really fun commuter bike that you can take to work on the weekdays, and then on the weekends, you just swap your pair of tires out or even have a separate wheel set and you can go climb a mountain. The Bold Squared does not disappoint on spec. It really has top-level components, including a Shimano Deore XT 11-speed drivetrain, a top-level RockShox front suspension, which gives you about 140 millimeters of travel, really nice Shimano Deore hydraulic disc brakes, and race-face wheel sets. Like all good mountain bikes these days, the Bold Squared also comes with a dropper seat post from KS. And then to top it all off, like all of the Squared platform bikes, the interface and the cockpit is just spot on. The touch points are all super nice. The shifter that appears to be a shifter is actually your assist selector that you can have easy access to and shift through your assist levels in a really natural way. And the display is also super compact, has all the information you need, but is also out of the way and not going to get damaged in case of a fall. The Bold Squared comes in a full size run from small to extra large. It also comes in an extra small frame size, which is a 35 centimeter frame that is built on the same Squared platform, so it uses the same internal battery and external tech pack, but it has a little shorter travel and just a lot more compact geometry for smaller riders. Fundamentally, what the engineers at Focus have done is taken everything that has been learned about how to build an amazing bicycle and elevated that with electric assist. It's truly unique in just how bike-like it feels. Now, it is a sporty geometry. It's a high-performance mountain bike, but it can easily be adjusted to be a really nice commuter bike that's a joy to ride around on a daily basis. And then, if you want to go out into the mountains, you have that too. So if this sounds appealing to you, I'd highly recommend coming to our store. In San Francisco, we've got this set up in more of an urban manner, and in Marin, we have it a straight mountain bike. But know that it can be both, and it can do both really well. If you're looking for a really fun, nimble, lightweight electric bicycle that's good fun on and off-road, then you should seriously give the Bold Squared a test drive. As they say, journey on the Focus, not the destination.
Okay.
Try, you know what they say.
As is often said, journey on the Focus, not the destination.